How to view friends activity on Spotify. Hey there, welcome back. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can view your friends activity on Spotify. In order to view a friends activity on Spotify, make sure that you're logged into your Spotify account and check your internet connection. So then to begin with, you'll be directed to the home page. On this page, right on top, there are more icons. Just tap on it. And as soon as you've done that, you'll be able to friends activity on the other side. In order to enable it, you need to go through this instruction that says go to settings, social, and enable share my listening activity on Spotify, and just go to your settings icon, just tap on it. On the other side, you'll be able to see this kind of option. Scroll down a bit and then head over to the section of social. So over here, you need to scroll down a bit and then you can see that you have this option as share my listening activity on Spotify. Make sure to toggle the switch, and as soon as this particular button turns, which indicates that this has been enabled. In order to share your listening activity on Spotify, you'll need to make sure that you've already connected with your Facebook. If you're not, then click on connect with Facebook right over here and then enter in your credential. That includes entering either your phone number, email address, and then a password. Click on the login button. If you don't have a Facebook account, then click on create new and begin with the registration process. As soon as you're done connecting your Facebook account, now what you need to do is scroll up. Now go to the section of display, and under it you need to toggle the switch for see what my friends are playing. Make sure that you've enabled or turned on this, and as soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see your friends activity on Spotify. Make sure that you guys are connected on Facebook as well, not just on Spotify, and you'll be able to see his or her activity or when he or she was active. So in this way you can see your friends activity on Spotify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.